Looking to get rid of your deteriorating factory turbo inlet? This is a Samco Sport turbo inlet hose. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. Here in front of me I have the Samco Sport Turbo Inlet Hose. Now we offer these for a bunch of different vehicles. This one of course is specific for the 08 through 14 STI. Now this is going to be a direct replacement for your factory turbo inlet. Now this is one of my favorite turbo inlet hoses and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, just the quality alone makes this one of the best turbo inlets on the market. And the fact that everything is set up just like factory, it's literally going to be as close to plug and play as you can possibly get without going with another OEM turbo inlet hose. But the OEM turbo inlet hose sucks. It really does. I mean, especially like, you guys out there whose cars have some miles on them, you're gonna start noticing right around where this attaches to the turbo on your factory hose, it's gonna start deteriorating, oil is gonna start eating away at it, it's gonna get soft, and eventually it's going to tear, which is bad news because any leak you have post-MAF but pre-turbo is going to cause a lean condition because you're basically letting unmetered air into the engine that the ECU doesn't really know what to do with and can cause some serious issues, even potentially catastrophic failure. Well, this turbo inlet is going to last a lifetime. Inside it has an oil resistant layer as its first layer, and so any turbo inlet is going to be exposed to oil. It's just the nature of this particular part, and so by having that oil resistant layer, you're never going to have to worry about it deteriorating or anything like that, which is critical with this component. Next, it's highly reinforced. This thing is super stiff, but it's also flexible enough that when you're installing this, you're going to be thanking your lucky stars that this has a little bit of give in it, because you need to basically be able to move this around and position it because it's incredibly tight in there, right? If you've ever done a turbo inlet, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But the fitment is spot on. Everything is in its right spot. Everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. And the best thing about this is the fact that you're gonna gain some performance. Not only is it gonna last a lot longer, in my opinion, it looks a lot better, but you're actually gonna gain some performance. This nice smooth bends on here, no accordion style slinky part there in the middle like on your factory inlet. And so you'll notice like slightly better throttle response, a little bit better boost response, just better engine response overall because your turbo is having a much easier time sucking through this than your dinky factory inlet with the really sharp bends and just really small inner diameter. And this is just an incredibly beautiful piece. Samco has been in the silicone market for a very long time. They know exactly what they're doing. This is some of the best stuff that you can get, and I absolutely love it. This is a very cool product. Check it out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.